Welcome to our guide on Agile Portfolio Management. If you have ever wondered how large organizations connect their high-level business strategy to the day-to-day work of Agile teams, this is the video for you. We will explore how to manage initiatives and investments effectively in a modern, fast-paced environment. Let's start by looking at the difference between the old way and the new way. Traditional portfolio management often relies on annual planning cycles and rigid budgets. Once a project is approved, it is hard to change course. In contrast, an Agile portfolio uses continuous planning and flexible funding. It focuses on delivering value quickly and adapting to change, rather than just sticking to a fixed plan. So, what exactly is it? Agile portfolio management is the discipline that connects a company's enterprise strategy to execution. It applies lean and systems thinking approaches to strategy and investment funding. Simply put, it ensures that the organization is building the right things at the right time, balancing the need to run the business with the need to grow and transform it. Think of the portfolio as the bridge. On one side, you have the enterprise strategy, the big vision of where the company wants to go. On the other side, you have Agile teams delivering work. The portfolio layer sits in the middle, providing the funding, direction, and governance needed to ensure those teams are working on what matters most to the business. One of the biggest shifts is in how money is handled. Instead of funding individual projects, which requires detailed and often inaccurate cost accounting, Agile portfolios fund value streams. These are long-lived groups of teams organized around delivering a specific product or service. Budgets are adjusted dynamically, perhaps every 6 months, giving teams the flexibility to decide how best to spend that money to achieve value. To manage the flow of big initiatives, often called epics, we use a Portfolio Kanban system. This visualizes the pipeline of work. Ideas enter a funnel, get reviewed to see if they are worth pursuing, go into a backlog if approved, and then move to implementation. This ensures we limit work in progress and don't overload the teams. Agile portfolio management focuses on the entire operational value stream. This means looking at the flow from the initial concept, through building and validating, all the way to releasing and realizing cash or value. By optimizing this whole chain, rather than just optimizing departments, we speed up delivery significantly. There are 3 main benefits to this approach. First, it drastically improves time to market by removing bureaucratic delays. Second, it ensures strategic alignment, so everyone pulls in the same direction. And third, it allows for better investment decisions, letting the company pivot quickly when market conditions change. In summary, Agile portfolio management is about moving from project-based thinking to product-based thinking. It empowers decentralized decision-making and focuses on funding value streams rather than temporary projects. By visualizing the flow of value, organizations can become more responsive and competitive. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.